Hi there! Today we're going to talk about digital marketing training. So we will go through some of the skills that digital marketing professionals need to stay competitive in the market today and what you should do as a business owner if you wish to upskill your team on digital marketing skills. Today's market is online, and companies without in-house digital skills struggle to remain competitive. Even if you decide to outsource all your digital marketing activities to an external agency, you will not unlock the full potential of your digital marketing efforts unless you have someone on your side who has the digital capabilities to manage the digital agency. That person should be familiar with going through reports and reviewing content. They should also understand the concept of a digital marketing funnel or have the capability to brief the agency or give them guidance on where they should go next with your digital platforms. That's why investing in upskilling your team's digital marketing empowers your business to grow and increases the return on investment. So what should you do as a business owner if you wish to invest in digital marketing training? The first thing you should do if you're planning to go down that road is to talk to your employees. Understand their point of view on where they struggle or lack knowledge, or what kind of issues or blockers they have when they're running their digital marketing initiatives. If you have multiple employees working on different channels, then each of them will probably mention different skills. And if you can provide training on every skill your team needs, then your role is to prioritize those skills from a business need point of view. Identify which skills have the highest demand and are expected to have the biggest impact on the business. Now let's go through some of the most important digital marketing skills that your team must have in order to stay competitive. The first type of digital marketing training your team might need is an e-commerce training. Running a successful e-commerce business requires an understanding of how to optimize a website's user experience and what a customer journey means. Your team also needs to know how to nurture leads that don't convert right away and how to build lasting relationships with customers to increase the conversion rate of your visitors and the lifetime of existing customers. The second type of training is WordPress and CRM training. Now, this will teach your team how to manage your website and sales pipeline without relying on external agencies unless there's a complex requirement. It's vital that your team should make sure your website can be kept updated with fresh content and engage with your customers through the sales pipeline. This can have a huge impact on improving your SEO, and it will allow you to see a real return on investment from your website when it becomes a lead generation tool. The third type of training is social media training, and managing your social media channels in-house has its benefits, but it is no easy task. Your team needs to understand how every platform works, come up with creative ideas, and understand targeting and customer segmentation. They will also need to create visuals and written content, keep up with trends, as well as engage and respond to inquiries. If you're running paid social media promotions, then they also need to understand how ad management tools work, and all those things can be a valuable addition to your team. The fourth type of digital training is SEO and content marketing training. Now, SEO is one of the tricky channels, but it's also one of the most effective channels for businesses to grow their online visibility. Upskilling your team on SEO means that they need to learn or understand how SEO works and how your SEO performance is affected by many factors: technical SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO. They also need to learn how to set up a keyword strategy and how to implement that strategy by creating SEO-friendly content. And so, for them to create that content, they need to learn about how to understand their target audience and create content that is tailored for that audience. They also need to be acquainted with different content formats, such as video, infographics, blog articles, or podcasts, or any other form of content. These are all skills that they need to be trained on to carry out a successful SEO strategy. The last type of digital marketing training we're going to talk about for today is tool-based training. Now, a big part of running your own digital marketing is focused on tools. Tool-based digital marketing training is very popular, and it's a great great way to approach digital marketing more efficiently. Within digital marketing, there's a tool for everything. There's Google Analytics or different ad management platforms like Google AdWords, Facebook Ad Manager, LinkedIn Ad Manager, and so on. If your team masters those tools, they can manage the company's website and ad campaigns on their own. Or if you're trying to approach email marketing, for example, and want your team to be familiar with email marketing platforms like MailChimp or HubSpot, your team also needs to be trained on those tools. Now, the means to training and upskilling your team are many. You can sign your employees up for an intensive workshop or a course. Coursera is a great platform for professional digital marketing courses. HubSpot Academy also offers great courses on countless topics related to digital marketing. Another option is that you can keep an eye on free webinars or crash courses on LinkedIn and other platforms that discuss these topics and encourage your employees to attend them. Or you can hire a specialized digital training agency that would tailor a digital training program based on the needed skills and the assigned budget. Profile Tree has helped hundreds of small and medium-sized businesses across Northern Ireland with tailored digital training programs. Now, thank you very much for watching that video, and if you have any questions about digital marketing training or you need a tailored digital training program, don't hesitate to leave us a comment and we'll get back to you.